Rubik's Race, how to play. The object of this two-player game is to be the first player to match the pattern shown on the scrambler with your colored tiles. Connect the frame to the trays in the upright position and fill each side with 24 tiles, 4 tiles of each color placed randomly. There will be one empty spot in each tray. Players sit across from each other and manipulate the tray closest to them. One player covers up the scrambler and shakes it up. Then they jostle it to the sides to ensure the cubes settle into place before setting it between the two players and removing their hand. If there are more than 4 cubes of the same color in the scrambler, or if they didn't all settle, shake it again for a new pattern. Then, both players race to recreate the pattern from the scrambler with the center 9 tiles of their tray by sliding their tiles around. You may not pick up a tile, but may only slide them. Players must copy the pattern from their perspective as they see it, not sideways or upside down. The first player to match the pattern in the scrambler slams down the frame and wins.